that'd be perfect, but it won't.
Oh my god, if your depot went in earlier, 32, 32, 34,
Yep.
32, 34, that's
It would have been so much.
literally your numbers. That's,
I know it's just gonna, I think 19 for bones. It,
okay.
it is 3K, $3 profit.
I mean,
Not gonna complain, yeah.
it's something at 32.
You know?
Something with a lightning number over there.
If that's 34, I'll cash it. If that's 34, I'm going to yell. If you hit 34,
Holy fuck! Hit
30K.
Where's that? Oh, no,
I see it.
I see it.
Come on.
That's the direction for it.
It's spinning for so long.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Dude, 10K rip.
That bounce right in it.
10K fucking
Fuck,
rip.
dude.
Oh my heart, dude. That was not even
Mine too.
money. Holy fuck.
Probably hit 9 or 19 or something like that now. 13 again. I would have snagged 34 and 9. I would have cashed out. But if it's this, I'm chilling too. But if not, then I lost 10K.
If you hit a number, what is it, a 30x?
30x, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Hit that 36.
If that is 36, yeah, I'll
36
happily
is always fucking high.
cash out. Happily cash that out.
Let me go grab my food. I'll be right back.
9, okay.
I told you, 9's the best number, dude.
Maybe I should calm down the next bet. You know, I should. Yeah, okay, I will cash out. I will cash out.
Oh, Rubik keeps
Whoa.
crashing for me.
No.
What?
You know, 35.
I'm feeling 22.
That's a lot of lightnings.
Or 5. 5.
Fucking 100 egg, right?
Yeah, 5K.
I mean, that's fine too.
It would be the same if you hit it. Oh.
Nope. I don't ever cover 28 already there. Yeah.
Hey, bud. Calm the fuck down, bud.
No, we're just gonna hope
Oh,
that
we're
we can.
sending it?
Just hope that we can hit it. Yeah.
Alright, multiplier 36. 500x. That's 6 and 7. It's a 36.
If it's one of those, I'm actually big chillin'. What?
What the fuck?
How? How did this do that?
Oof. I said, nah, I'm not going in any of these.
That just kept going around and around.
Come on, 500x on all your numbers and let it hit all of them at the same time. Ball just multiplies.
Yeah, that'd be decent.
That's a lot of none of them are yours. Uh-oh. Don't hit him.
Don't do that.
Don't do it.
Okay, I never covered 28. It's fine.
God, what did you just say? You didn't leave because you're gonna hit this. And then you're chilling again. Oh,
Good thing I tossed that on there though.
yeah.
Good thing I tossed it. Alright, we're gonna hope it hits back to back. Watch.
32?
Yeah, if it's
Ooh,
if that
32,
hits either of those two that I multiplied, this would be
That ball
huge.
is fucking spinning. Jesus Christ.
That'd be so big. That'd be like 10K pretty much. That'd be like 8K total. It's laggy. I don't like that. 26. That'll cover the usual though. If it's one of those, nice profit, but
Huh.
don't do it. Just fucking hit one of these.
31, 32, 33, 34, 36.
Oh, it bounced out at 32. Fuck, why was my $3 bet on there?
God damn it, dude.
I want Crunchy to zoom in on 13. That is a comeback.
35, come on.
Yeah, 35 would be really big. 32, nice. Okay, fucking.
Oof.
Okay! We're done!
You're chilling.
We're done!
You're chilling.
We're done, we're done, we're done! Let's go, boys! Let's go!
Covered the back-to-back with 10K.
Fuck, I have a problem!
This is roller coaster of emotions right
I don't know how I stayed still joked around about my bets when I was betting that much. I was just like, 4 will be comeback, or 13 will be comeback.
I was crying for you, holy shit.
I was just accepting defeat.
27?
If I had 27 right now, that'd be pog. Add some
Hit it
more to
on
the
the
old
way out.
cash. Yeah.
Whoop you.
24, oh yeah, don't cover that. I'm just covering some stuff too. That if I came in one quicker, that would hit 32, and there's that much on it. Are you? Oh, I hit 9. It hit 34. Hit 34.
34.
Hit 34.
Oh my god, 30.
Hit 34. Dude, that's so annoying. That would have been so big. I don't cover 13.
No.
Dude, one bet earlier. Why did I have to? If I just didn't bonus a millionaire, I came in right when 18 would have hit. Oh my god, that's so retarded. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
The backup spin. Oh, the backup spin just fucks me. Literally would have been fucking 15K. Literally would have been 15K.